Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to spawn infinite TNT in Minecraft. So let's get right into it. Step 1. Click on that pause button up the top. Click on settings and then you should be on game. So if you're not on game, click on game. Scroll down to basically about here, and when it says cheats and active cheats should be on. It shouldn't be like that, it should be like that. So it should be active cheats on. And then when you go back and click on back and resume game and you go into here, click on the chat button. Okay, there we go. So you go slash give space at like that s space command like that underscore block. And then once you've done that, you can like pause the video or screenshot that and then like copy it down and then you click return and you should get a command block like I have it in my hand. And then tap somewhere and place it down, click on it, and then you need to type in summon SUMMON and then TNT with one space between summon and TNT. Change it to repeat and always active, and then click X, and then you spawn infinite TNT, but not exactly. If you want to like stop it, so if I go into here, tap in lever, it should pop up. Oh, this thing's happening again. It's really annoying. Okay. You grab this. See, it's going crazy. You quickly tap on it, need redstone, and then once that last lot has finished, it should stop going. And then you have to crouch. So I only know how to crouch on iPad. So double tap on that thing between the 4 arrows in the middle, and then tap on it. And then, but that actually destroy the lever. See, if I place the lever again, if I place it again like that, turn it on, and then it will actually destroy the lever. So, guys, I know how to fix that. So basically, you click on the search bar, and then make sure in there is obsidian. So type up in there obsidian. Just delete that and type in obsidian. I think you can use the crying obsidian, but I'm just gonna use the normal obsidian. Place the lever and basically do this. Just copy what I'm doing all around it. You need to crouch as well, guys. If you didn't notice that I'm crouching right now. And then place it around so it's like 3 more. Like that. And then, well, pretty much you don't need this bit. But like that. Or maybe you do. I'm just gonna use it. Because that will protect it more from the TNT. And then do that again. Up the top. So it's the top bit of it. Secure. So it won't come into that bit either. And then do it again over here. And guys, if you're thinking I blocked where it was spawned, it actually teleports above it. So it still will work. I'm ready. Click it. Here it goes. It'll explode, right? Didn't explode that. I can always turn it off when I want. Come back up. It won't be there. And guys, I actually figured out another glitch. Place 4 blocks above there at least. Turn it on. Turn the lever on. Destroy these blocks. Just make sure there's that one still there. And then you actually made your own functioning, I don't know what this is called, but like this thing. And then also you can easily turn it off by clicking this lever. You can barely see it, but it should have turned off now. Yeah, it takes quite a bit to actually turn off, but I can turn it on again, and will it still work? It still works. So basically, if I just like spawn another thing of these, like type in another one, so summon TNT, like that. Make sure it's like repeat, and I'll just keep it on always active for now. I can place this well, not always active, the other one needs redstone. Place this around it, but then also see how that bit's still in front of it. If I still have that there, it needs to be 4 up and make sure the glitch is actually working. Crouch, place it on there, turn it on, and then see it still doesn't work because it just easily spawns above and it's still exposed normally, not like that one. That one's going crazy. And then you can easily just like turn it off, and then once you turned it off, place out 4 blocks like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it on, and then it should start to get that lag. Should be like the other one. See, it doesn't destroy the floor for some reason. I think it does, bit by bit. See? And then that's pretty much how you make this an infinite TNT. See, it does damage to animals and that. So this could be, if you make like lots of them around your house, it's basically impossible to get into. And look, this cow just died because of that these things were there and it ran into it, and R.I.P. cow. Okay, and then that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.